How to cancel subscriptions on Android. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to cancel all subscriptions in your Android device. Open up your Google Play Store app. After you open Google Play Store, go to this profile at the top. Now tap on this Manage Google. Tap on this Google. So in this Google account, now you can swipe to right like this and tap on this Payment and Subscription. So in this payment and subscription now, make sure you tap on this As Can See Now profile at the top again. So in this session, make sure you choose the Google account that you want to see the subscription currently on it. So I'll just go with this one. So in this session, you can scroll to down and tap on this As Can See, it says subscription. So tap on this As Can See Now, manage subscriptions. So in this session, as can see now, you can be able now to see inactive. So if there is active subscription, you can be able to see it under this one. So you can tap on it and it will allow you to cancel it. This one is inactive because I canceled this one. That's it guys on how to cancel subscriptions on Android. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.